we park over there. Grabe. Grabe yung kaba. Legit. Kapag hindi ka naman talaga sanay masyadong mag-drive. Tapos sa ibang bansa ka nag-drive. Gosh. My goodness. Yummy. Ah, that's the one. Is it the frozen? Corners. Yeah. Okay, Apple. Starbucks na tayo. Oh. This is Germany. Look at this. Oh. Meron sila 280. Oh. Oh.
We've been to Kuda Sushi before, right?
I'm not sure.
In the Philippines, we've been to them once.
I'm not sure.
With the train?
That's Genki Sushi.
Okay, that's right. But they're both the same, basically.
Where you want, you can see. This one? This is where you can.
1048号的客人，请在线内等候，谢谢。
So what does it say?
I don't even know. I think this one is when you have. Oh no, you can. Okay. I think this one you can make a reservation for some specific time. And this one is now 8 to 8. Yeah, we have to wait almost 2 hours.
No. So, nandyan nga tayo sa Hanshin sa Kaohsiung, Taiwan. At hindi nga tayo bumili ng kahit ano. Nagpark lang kami talaga doon ng bike. Tapos, tinignan namin, sumilip kami. Kaya lang tagal ng waiting time doon sa resto. So, hindi na kami nag-intay doon sa reservation. Kaya, hanap na lang kami. Punta na lang kami sa night market. So, mas mabilis doon. Lapit lang din naman. So, thank you for watching and bye for now. See you later.